Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is just a really pretty, warm, glam look that is really pretty for the holidays. It's got some reds in it, some gold glitter. I think it's just perfect. For this look, I used the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. This is one of my favorite palettes. I'm trying to project pan it. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. Alright, so first I am going in with raw sienna, and I'm popping that in the crease with a Morphe M441 brush. I love raw sienna for that transition crease shade. It is literally the most perfect shade ever. It is one of the shades I've actually hit pan the most on. So now I'm just mixing raw sienna and burnt orange in the crease. This is just my favorite crease combo, to be completely honest with you guys. And again, I'm using the M441 brush, favorite crease brush of all time. Highly recommend it if you guys don't have it already. Next, I'm going in with my Morphe M330 brush just to really smoke it out. You've seen me do this in so many tutorials, but it's my favorite brush to do this with, like absolute favorite. So now I'm going in with red ochre, and I'm just really focusing in the crease with this e.l.f. brush. I think it's a crease brush. I picked it up from Walmart. It was $1. It is the best dollar I've ever spent on a brush, let me tell you. And then I'm going in with a Bejoy blending brush just to blend out that red. I felt like the red was a little too orangey, red ochre. So in a second, in 1, 2, 3, I'm going to pick up Love Letter, and I'm popping this in the crease as well just to add more red, because Love Letter is like that reddy pinky shade in my opinion, and I think the two really like added that perfect red shade I was going for. So now I'm just blending out again with the Bejoy blending brush. I did a whole review for them. If you guys want to check them out, I'll leave a link in the description box. Hopefully I remember. And then I'm going back in with my 330 brush just to really smoke everything out. This brush is so good for that. It's so good. Now I'm going in with Tempera, and I'm putting this on the lid. I just wanted something white, and this just has like a little bit of shimmer to it, and I just thought it was perfect because I really wanted the main focus just to be like the liner, because I did add some glitter, which you'll see in a little bit. So now I'm just going back in with red ochre and that dome crease brush from e.l.f., and I'm just really blending the outer V and the lid together just to make it all flow nicely. Now I'm going in with my Physicians Formula 2-in-1 Eye Booster eyeliner serum thingy. I'm just lining my lash line. I will have all the names linked down below. I'm just horrible with these names. I mean, this Physicians Formula one is very long and very hard to remember. So I'm just lining my lid as best as I can get it. It's not always perfect. I try my best. Now I'm going in with the glitter. So first I'm going with my NYX glitter glue and an angled brush, and I'm lining above the liner. I kind of wish I used a thinner brush for this, but next time I do something like this, I will remember that. And then I'm going in with my J-Cat Rockin' the Nights glitter in Gatsby's Party and just lining above the liner. It's a gorgeous gold, perfect for the holidays. This look would be really pretty for Christmas parties or New Year's Eve if you're looking for something a little more subtle. I absolutely love how this came out. This is one of my favorites. So this is how the liner is looking. It looks pretty good in my opinion for the first time ever. So now I'm just taking raw sienna and burnt orange and just running that along the lower lash line just to smoke it out a little bit, not too much. Now I'm going in with this Ulta Black Brown retractable eyeliner and popping that in the waterline. You can never see this on camera, but I promise you it was there in person. It was there. Now I'm going in with my mascaras. So first I'm just curling my lashes, and then once I'm done curling them, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Lash Primer. I absolutely love this stuff. Then going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I feel like that's such a tongue twister. Anyone else? And now going in with my Wet n Wild Max Volume Waterproof Mascara. So once that is all on, I'm going to go in with some falsies, and I'm using these Kiss lashes in Shy. and they're just really pretty natural lashes. I'm just popping them on with some tweezers. I had applied the glue off camera. I used the Kiss glue as well, and I really like the glue. It's really, really good. It's really nice, really easy to use. And I'm just really fidgeting with the lashes until they're good, and then I'm just popping on some mascara to blend everything together, and I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera. And I'm back, and I'm going to do lips. So first I'm putting on the Desi Katie Dose of Colors collab in My Mean on the lips, and then once that is on and kind of dry, I kind of let it dry a little bit, I'm going to go in with a Smashbox Lip Gloss in Pout, I'm pretty sure it's in. I love this lip gloss. It's one of my favorites. It's just a really pretty nudie pinky color. So pretty. It's one of those lip glosses I like to layer with. I don't really like wearing it on its own, but it's a perfect one to put on top of a nude lipstick or anything like that. It's so pretty, and here's the finished look.
And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're following me on all my social media so you can find out when new videos are going live and all that stuff. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!